Chapter 7 String Functions. What are functions? Functions are built-in programs provided by every programming language which perform a particular task. Functions make the task of programming easy for programmers. In QBasic, there are two types of functions: numeric functions, string functions. Numeric functions. These functions are applicable on numbers or numeric variables. They help us to perform mathematical operations like calculating square roots, rounding off numbers, finding log values, etc. String functions. These functions are applicable on strings or string variables. They help us to manipulate strings like joining strings, printing a part of string, changing the case of strings, etc. Let us learn about some of the string functions one by one. String functions. As you know, string functions are used to manipulate strings. Let us learn about some of the string functions and see some examples of their use. Left dollar. Left dollar function extracts the specified number of characters from the left side of a string. The syntax of the function is as given below. Syntax. Example. Output. There are several ways to make this program smarter and easier for use for our users. This version will allow the user to enter Y or capital Y and the program will run again. We can get even more clever by using left dollar like this. This version will let the user enter yes with a capital Y, yes with a small y, or just about anything that starts with a Y, because left dollar is used to only look at the first character in their answer. You could even enter yep or yeah and the program will begin again. U case dollar and L case dollar. U case dollar function converts a string to all uppercase or capital letters. L case dollar function converts a string to all lowercase or small letters. You can use U case dollar and L case dollar to do case-insensitive tests. In other words, upper and lower case are ignored. Let us understand it with the help of the following example. In this new version, the user can type Mike with a small m, Mike with a capital M, or even Mike in all caps, and the name will be recognized. String dollar and space dollar. String dollar. Let's say you need to print 20 stars on the screen in a line. You could do it like this. Print . You can also print the above output with a for loop. That works well, but QBasic provides an even easier way to do this with string dollar. The first argument to string dollar is the number of times you want a character repeated. The second argument is the character you want to repeat. Space dollar. If you want to print a lot of spaces, you could do it with space dollar as shown in the following example. STR dollar and VAL. Up till now, we have been using string variables to hold strings and number variables to hold numbers. But what if we really need to do some maths with numbers that are in a string variable? Or maybe we need to get some numbers into a string variable somehow. STR dollar. STR dollar lets us convert a number to a string. Example. VAL. VAL lets us convert a string to a number. Example.
End of chapter. Click here to go to the next chapter.